Thinking of creating an app like Uber? Here's a quick guide to building a successful taxi app in 2025. First, dive into market research. Understand your audience, their needs, and what existing apps might be missing. This will shape your app's unique edge. Next, list essential features. For a smooth user experience, it includes location tracking, fare estimation, notifications, and real-time GPS. Think admin, driver, and user-focused features. Choosing the right platform is crucial. Decide if your app will be for iOS, Android, or both, based on your target audience. Now, choose a development partner. Look for experience and a strong portfolio in building ride-sharing apps. Before launching, rigorous testing is essential. Check functionality, performance, and user interface to ensure a seamless experience. To stand out, consider adding advanced features like booking history, a panic button, and multi-language support. Ready to build your Uber-like app? At Intelegain, we specialize in custom app development. Contact us today for a personalized project estimate.